I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your lost AirPods were paired to your Apple ID and that you have access to the linked iPhone, iPad, or Mac. Open Find My Now and look for the last known location. If nearby, use Play Sound to locate one or both. If the app shows no recent location, record serial numbers and purchase receipts so you can escalate. Once done, move to replacement options, insurance, Apple support, or buying a single earbud versus a case replacement. Now you decide how to replace. Purchase a single AirPod, a charging case, or the entire set. If you have Apple Care Plus, the process is faster and cheaper. Make sure your plan covers loss. Contact Apple support through the support app or schedule a Genius Bar visit. Provide serial numbers and proof of purchase. Alternatively, compare authorized resellers for lower cost. Once you select the path, confirm shipping times and return policies, and have your Apple ID and payment ready to complete the order. Complete the process by pairing your replacement AirPod or case. Open the case near your iPhone and follow the on-screen setup prompts. You should see a pairing animation. If pairing fails, reset the AirPods, hold the setup button about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white, then retry. Make sure firmware updates install. If problems persist, contact Apple support with serial, purchase info, and any error messages. They can run diagnostics or issue a replacement. One tip:
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.